issue in Philippines, history has helped me understand that the challenges the country faces today did not emerge overnight. They are rooted in a long and complex historical experience. I realized that history is not just about memorizing dates or events. It is about recognizing patterns, understanding causes and effects, and seeing how past decisions continue to shape contemporary society. On the social side, I learned how colonialism, migration, religion, and social class division influence Filipino identity and every life. Issues such as inequality, education gaps, and regional differences have deep historical roots, and many of them continue to affect communities today. This made me more aware of the importance of inclusivity and social justice in nation building. In terms of political issues, I saw how Philippines' political system evolved from pre-colonial barangays to Spain rule, American democracy, and later post-independence governments. Understanding this transition helped me recognize why modern politics is often marked by patronage, corruption, and proper power struggles. At the same time, it also showed me the long-standing Filipino spirit of resistance and the desire to fight for freedom and good governance. When examining economic issues, I learned that the uneven development of regions dependence of foreign trade, and recurring poverty are all tied to historical economic structures. The colonial economy prioritized exports and raw materials, shaping a system that still influences livelihoods today. This knowledge made me appreciate the importance of sustainable development, economic reforms, and policies that genuinely uplift marginalized sectors.